Alright, so now it's time for the final part of the video, which is assembling the entire puzzle. I'm not gonna lie, I actually completely forgot to record this part. So I've already assembled and stickered the pieces just to play around with it some. So these stickers are already applied, so just kind of ignore that. You don't have to sticker it before you assemble, obviously, and it's easier if you don't. But regardless of whether it's stickered or not, the assembly process is the same. So I'm going to show you now how to assemble it. I did take the liberty of skipping the first step, which is just placing the modified edges into the core, as I thought that would be pretty straightforward and I didn't figure there would be much confusion there. So once you get your edges put back into the core and you have it tensioned how you want, this is how I would assemble it. So first I would take two of the triangle pieces and place them into the face. This can be a little bit of a nuisance to hold them in place. Then you'll take one of the modified internal pieces and make sure the stem is facing upwards towards the outside of the puzzle, and this will go over the screw on the face. I don't know if you can see it that well, but we'll just slide this in over the screw, and you can see now it is covering the screw. And then we'll take this last triangle and put it in place. So now I will hold all three of these triangles here, and then I personally like to place 4 triangles on one side, like so, and then just slot in the corner. So now I can turn it on the side and it will support this, and I don't have to worry about these falling out. And now we repeat the process. Place the corners, or not the corners, the triangles, the centers, and then place another corner base. And now we turn it so we can put this one here and it's supported. Place the triangles. Place the corner base. Now we have one whole side assembled, so now we can turn the octahedron and place it face down. So now we can put in more of our internal pieces over the faces. So 1, 2, 3, and then we can put in this next set of triangles. So now I would suggest putting in a triangle, a support piece, internal piece, and then the next triangle to hold them in place. Triangle, internal support piece, another triangle. You should have a pretty good idea on how to do this now. So now I'll go ahead and put in 2 more of our triangle pieces onto our last face. Tilt it a little bit, slide in the last internal support piece and the last triangle, and then all that's left is to insert the last 3 corner pieces, and you now have a face-turning octahedron you can sticker and solve. So I hope this guide was helpful. I realize it probably wasn't the best quality, but it's at least a video guide. So hopefully it was helpful for you guys. Feel free to drop some questions here, and I'll have a link to the FTO Discord server that you can also join and ask questions there. So let me know if you have questions in the comments and hop in the FTO server. Good luck!